how you can fix if your CapCut template is not showing on your TikTok. So the first thing that you want to do is tap on your TikTok and launch the app. And once you do that, you should see something like this on your CapCut right here, right above the creator's name. And if you tap on it, it should take you to your CapCut templates. But if you don't see this option, then what you can do is if you scroll down and go to your home page, then open your Play Store. And from here, you can search for TikTok. Once you search for it, just make sure that your TikTok is up to date. If you see an update button instead of open right here, just make sure to update the app. And once you do that, you should be able to see the CapCut template option. But the other reason that you cannot see that is that might be because you're viewing the videos that do not use the CapCut template. So what you want to do is go to your search bar and then search for CapCut templates. So once you search for it, you can see different videos that has CapCut templates. And if you just tap on any of these videos, you will see this try this template option. So just tap on it. And once you do that, you have an option to use this template in CapCut. So just tap on use this template and your CapCut will be open. And once you do that, you should be able to use and import any videos and use this specific template. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.